In this video, I will be showing you how to take apart a 2300 series ball knob entry. So you'll take a key and insert it into the lock. Do a turn till you see this button pop out and you'll hear the click. Once that is done, you will find a hole on the neck of the ball knob. You want to turn that till you see a brass button. Take your key and line it up with that brass button. Take your tool, poke that in. The ball knob should pull off. And you're going to want to take that tool, put it into that right there. You gotta kind of pry up till you get a gap. Once you have that gap, pry the ring off. Pull your cylinder out. And then to put back together the lock, you're gonna drop your cylinder down with the tail sticking up. Put the ring back on. Line up that. And to make sure that it properly works, put it in the lock position, as long as it turns out turning the key either way. There you go. Next, I'm going to be showing you how to rekey any one of our locks using the tail rekeying kit. With the key pulled out just a little, you're going to take the proper cap removal tool and slide it on. Turn it counterclockwise till the tailpiece and the cap come off. Take the back pin and spring out. Put your key all the way in. Do a quarter turn so that this top piece is now pointing away from you. Take your follower with the blunt end. Slide it through. Take the pins that are in there, take them out, and with the key number on the key that you're rekeying it to, follow that with the matching bottom pins in your pinning kit. And when you're rekeying, you're going to want to take the pin. The pin has a pointed end and a flat end. You want the pointed end down in the cylinder with the flat up. With all your proper pins in, you should see that they all are level. Once you have all the proper pins back in, take your follower with that top facing away from you and the top of your cylinder facing up, slide it back through, and your cylinder should work. Pop your key out just a little bit again, put your spring and back pin back in, put your cap back on. All of our levers, the tailpiece should be running parallel with the top of the cylinder. All of our ball knobs, it runs perpendicular with the top of the cylinder. And you're going to want to turn this clockwise till it stops and do about a quarter turn back. Make sure the pin in the back clicks into one of the spots to lock it in.